This class 66 is heading back this way now off platform 3 at Chesterfield. We'll cross just behind me, probably just before the other bridge, onto the main. I think that's a 30-mile-an-hour crossover, so there's not going to be any hurry. I've mentioned the golf club to the left of me. That's TAPTON Bridge itself. Just behind it, Chesterfield Station. You can see the buildings. And to the right, the world famous Crooked Spire. Plymouth Edinburgh service, a cross-country service heading north out to Chesterfield. 14 late at Derby, but they're a bit of a turnaround and got out 8 late, and is still 8 late at Chesterfield. The opposite running service is 8 minutes late at Chesterfield. Edinburgh Plymouth service running 8 minutes late at Tapton. It's got a 5-minute stay in Derby, so I might knock that down to about 5 minutes. Dangling. That one caught me over answering a comment on one of my YouTube channels. "15:45 off Nottingham to Liverpool Lime Street, passes under Tapton Bridge.